At the Jag this morning. Jag steak and seafood. I call it the Jag because that's what my granny called it. Under some remodeling here. It's looking good. We're getting there. We've had a very good run of weather. But
in 1.5 miles, turn right onto Washington Street.
I'm gonna try to make up for it all in one day with this nasty rainy weather. Headed up to Dayton to look at a job where they're unhappy with the floor finish. So I'm gonna look at it to scrub it and refinish it. Brand new floor right off of the space where there's constant traffic of vehicles, exhaust, dust, dirt, water, salt, grime. It's already showing wear, already showing dirt tracks. It's gonna be a challenge, but we're always up for a challenge. Jeremy and Uncle Fred were a little bitter at me that I didn't buy extra Holtmans yesterday when we went to the Belfour meeting. So I had to go back this morning and buy them donuts. And then I had an unexpected emergency stop up here in Dayton to look at that job. So now it's almost 11 o'clock and I haven't taken them donuts yet. I'm not really sure what's gonna happen. At least I got their order right. I'm pretty sure. So hopefully I'm still doing this here later because people get hangry, and I'm not saying that, you know, they're all hangry, but it's possible. Public service announcement. It's more dangerous to slam on your brakes every time you see a police officer than it is to just maintain your current speed and assess the situation before you go slamming on brakes, especially in this rain. Just saying. I have no idea what's going on here, but I'm at Monroe, and as you can see, all traffic is coming to a full and complete stop. I'm trying to get there, Fred. Personalized plate income. That's so stupid. I apologize to the caddy owner that has the income license plate. He's got the personalized thing around it that says, want income, Victor Gray Financial Services. So he's advertising his investment company, so still stupid. How cute. Uncle Tim has this picture of you in his vehicle, Brady, from 2012. This is only a test. It worked. So I checked the Waze app to see what was going on, and evidently there's a semi flipped up near Tylersville. They got the left lane and maybe the left 2 lanes closed. No bueno.
75 is a slow go because of an accident with a tractor trailer near Liberty Way, and traffic is backing up into Monroe because of it. Left side of the highway is blocked off. Minimal delays now with a wreck southbound 71 below Fields Erdel, right lane.
I am slowly going crazy. We're at almost an hour stuck in traffic. I'd rather pull my own tooth than be sitting in this traffic.
Which is 6993.
Left lane is definitely closed, and there are people still darting over there. Thankfully, this semi truck behind me can't really see it, but the semi is blocking the left lane so that people can't go over there and take a big. I like when semis do that. Take charge of your road. It's definitely tipped over. Noon, finally got out of the traffic jam. Hey, hey.
Our house is filthy. You can't.
Emma. What's your favorite donut?
That's my favorite.
What is it?
It's number 5.
Chocolate with sprinkles? Nom 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 nom. Are you eating toys? I brought donuts, but your mom probably won't let you have any. Hey.
Not right now.
Get him. Get him. That's a way to protect your toys away from your brother. Lay on them. That's a good tech. Except for he got that screw right there.
No, he got the boo.
Got all my donuts delivered. Leaving the silo now. Gotta run to 275-ish rounds later. I think I'm good to go. It's about 3 o'clock, a little after. Gotta get some air in the tires. Headed out to Dillsboro, Indiana with the boys for the men's retreat for church. I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video here. I got quite a bit of stuff today because I spent a lot of time in the car, as you've already seen. So cutting this one off here. I'll probably have a men's retreat edition coming Saturday sometime, so see you then.